everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another What I Eat in a Day. I know this is your favorite videos to watch and I love making them, showing you how to make really healthy, easy, simple meals that taste delicious. So welcome to another one. If you're new, my name is Liv and we make lots of delicious, healthy recipes on this channel. So if you want, come on, join the fam. We eat lots of good food here. About to have breakfast. This morning I just had my normal black coffee. I drink my coffee black. Let me know down below how you drink your coffee. I'm curious. I feel like not a lot of people drink it black, but I drink it black. I don't know. I like it. I like a nice like dark smoky roast and I like the black coffee. So yeah, we're gonna have some breakfast. I'm kind of feeling a bit just of a lighter like yogurt granola bowl, and I like to add collagen as well to my yogurt, just a bit, get a little bit more protein. But this is like a really good quick go-to breakfast for me, so we're gonna go ahead and make that. So this is everything I use for my yogurt bowl. We have some organic blueberries, collagen that I add to the dairy-free yogurt, and this one is my favorite one, and then some grain-free granola, and that's it. So this is the final yogurt bowl. We have the collagen, yogurt, some blueberries, granola. Really easy to just assemble and really nourishing and filling, so it's super delicious. So it is a little while later. I have just been working and we're gonna get to work on lunch. I've already preheated the oven to 450 and I'm going to be doing a roasted veggie and salmon bowl with some greens. This is a lot of the time what I like to do. I just load up on veggies, healthy fats, and protein so that, you know, I'm full, got great healthy fats in there, and of course got all of our simple veggies. And it's really easy to just throw veggies and a protein onto like a sheet pan, put it in the oven, and it's good to go. And especially like when you cook it at 450, we only cook it for like 12 minutes, so it's really quick. You just pop it in the oven, you're good to go. You can definitely do this ahead of time too if you bring your lunch to like school or to work. Do it the night before or on a Sunday, and it's really easy to do. So let's go ahead and make it. So this is what my lunch bowl looks like. We have the salmon, avocado, a little bit of leftover zucchini, and some roasted asparagus on top of a bed full of nice greens, lots of healthy fats, and lots of veggies too. So I've just been working at the computer and I feel like a little afternoon snack, but I want something that's like quick, healthy, and just like whole foods. You guys know how important like real food is when I'm like doing my snacks and my meals. So I'm gonna have one of these FruitSource bars, and today's video is actually sponsored by FruitSource. And I love these FruitSource bars because not only are they gluten-free, vegan, and nut-free too, which I know a lot of you are nut-free, or your family members are, or your kids are, and so these are nut-free as well, which is really great. And they're made with whole fruit ingredients. It's just 100% fruit, which is amazing because that's what you want in the food that you eat. You want it to be 100% real food. And another thing is that they're also high in fiber. So we're getting potassium, we're getting that fiber, all that good stuff in a convenient bar. I love the strawberry one, like I said, that's my favorite flavor, but let me show you the other flavors. So these are all their other flavors. I also really like mangosteen, so if you really like mango, you would love this one. And they also have ones with veggies, which is amazing. So they're really easy, convenient, so many delicious flavors. I mean, they're all good, but like my favorites are the strawberry one, which is this one, and the mango mangosteen. And what's great is that you can just throw them into your purse, into your car, so that you always have something that's like real food on the go too. So I have a couple in my purse in case like hunger strikes and I'm out and I want like a nice real food snack. It just makes healthy eating easy because you just know that you're getting good stuff. So anything that can make healthy eating easier, I am all for. So I'm gonna show you the texture though, because they're really like chewy and like juicy in a delicious way. So like the juicy fruit is just so delicious. I've even cut one up and put it on like a granola yogurt bowl, and it's so good. So let's open it up. Look at that wonderful texture. Honestly, to me, it kind of tastes like you're eating candy, but you know you're eating like just pure fruit, and you get 2 servings of fruit per bar, so it's so delicious. So check out the link in the description box. Check out FruitSource. They're so delicious. So for dinner, I'm gonna make some of my homemade cauliflower gnocchi, which if you haven't seen that recipe, it is so good. I've had the Trader Joe's ones, and I think mine are as good, if not better. And I have some left in the freezer that I stumbled upon. I was like, oh, I have some gnocchi left, so I know what I'm having for dinner tonight. So they're like little pillows of crispy heaven, and I'm gonna add a little bit of protein to that and some greens. But yeah, the focus and the highlight is definitely the cauliflower gnocchi. If you haven't made my recipe yet, I will link it down below. I was also honored that Remy Ashton made my cauliflower gnocchi, so pretty cool. So yeah, let's go ahead and make that. So this is it. We have our spinach, sausage, really wilts down. You just use a lot, and then when it cooks, it just gets smaller. Cauliflower gnocchi, and so delicious. I cannot wait to dig in. And then for dessert, I'm just having a piece of this hazelnut butter dark chocolate, just a little square for a little sweet tooth. I really like the ingredients of it as well. It's super tasty. So I changed. I am ready to go to Kundalini yoga. I like to go on Tuesday nights. So my what I eat in day is gonna end here. Thank you so much to FruitSource for sponsoring this video. Make sure to go to your grocery store, check them out. Most of the time I find they're in the produce section, so if you're having a hard time finding them, look in the produce section. Make sure to check out the link below. Let me know what flavor is your favorite. Definitely pick up the strawberry because that's my favorite. I hope this gave you some really good ideas for everyday easy recipes that you can make, and show you that it can be easy to eat healthy while you're busy and on the go, especially with like such great food options that we have nowadays. So thank you guys so much for watching. Super grateful that you took the time to watch this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.